Stop scrolling through endless folders in your Google Drive, because in this video today I'm going to show you that how you can connect Google Gemini to your Google Drive so you can instantly find or search files, and you can also summarize documents. So it's now very easy. So let me show you in my screen. First of all, you can open drive.google.com, and here now it's very easy. So you can see on the top right side here, Ask Gemini. First you open it, it will be like this. And then you can see on the top right side, just with your profile icon and these dots, Google applications icon, you can see here, Ask Gemini. So if you open, so it will open here. Now you can ask about your files. So you ask Gemini about a file instead of searching here, like, for instance, you have thousands of files. So you can also summarize a topic based on files in your drive. You can also summarize a folder in your drive. And let me show you like how you can ask Gemini about a file in this video. For instance, you can see we have different SEO reports. So if I want to search here, like find the most recent document about SEO. So if I search this one, the prompt, if I give to Gemini here in Google Drive, and let's press enter. So within a few seconds, see now Gemini is defining documents, and the most recent document I found regarding SEO is SEO report 2026. And you can see here the source is SEO report 2026. You are the owner, no changes since you last viewed this file. You can export to docs, you can copy it, you can see. And other things also, Gemini is telling like this document appears to be a progress report outlining various search engine optimization tasks, including that I did. So you can see SEO report. So we can directly open from here. See, same thing. You can search for another, for example, if we close it and reopen it, and if I search here, like find the documents related to WordPress in my Google Drive account, and if we press enter, so now the Google Gemini is searching for the documents that are related to the WordPress. See, now we have relevant files, all files. First we search for the most recent document about SEO. Even despite of that, we have a lot of documents related to SEO, but the Gemini showed me the most recent file. And now I changed the prompt to find the documents related to WordPress in my Google Drive. So there are a lot of WordPress related files, documents in my Google Drive account. So now Gemini searched, and see the list has been given to me. So which one of them I want to open, I can just navigate or open from here. So this was the easy method that I explained to you to ask Gemini about a file in Google Drive, and how magically and how professionally you can use Google Gemini now in Google Drive. So you have learned it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming tutorials and other professional videos. Thank you so much once again.